We are in Chapter 7, Section 1, Multiplication, Properties of Exponents. So we're going to multiply today. First of all, there we go. Our objective is to multiply monomials, you'll figure out what that is in a minute, using properties of exponents, and we're going to simplify expressions using multiplication properties of exponents. So what's a monomial? We just use that word. It is a number, a variable, or the product of a number and one or more variables with non-negative integer exponents. It's only one term. So here's an example. It is a variable or a product, product's multiplication, with one or more variables with a non-negative integer exponent. So that's like a 1. It's not negative, okay? An expression that involves division by a variable is not a monomial. Yeah, we're dividing by not a number, but a letter. So that's why it's not a monomial. A constant is a monomial that's a real number. So 10 is a constant. Determine whether each expression is a monomial, write yes or no, and explain your reasoning. So yes, it's a constant. Why don't you try pausing these and seeing how much you can do and then press play if you want. If not, just follow along. Part B, f plus 24 is not a monomial. There are two terms. Terms are separated by plus and minus signs. Part C, yes, it's a monomial. It's one term raised to the second power, which is positive. Yes, one term raised to a positive 2. J is a monomial, so yes. Okay, variable to positive exponent. What's its exponent here? It's 1. It's divided by a number. This one's divided by a letter. So yes, this one is a monomial. This is technically 1/2. So it is a monomial. No, because it's divided by a variable. And why is that a no? Because technically, if I bring it up to the top, it's now a negative exponent. So that is why. Negative exponent. If you're like, what? You'll figure it out soon. So these are examples of monomials and examples of not monomials. Second page, they want you to simplify b to the third times b to the fifth. Well, that's just saying b times 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 b. So there's 5 b's and there was 3 b's. So now there's a total of 8 b's. What would the shortcut be? To just simply add the exponents. Okay, so it says for any real number a and any integers m and p, if we have a to the m times a to the p, that is the same thing as saying the base of a raised to the m plus p. Yes, we did that.